Okay, I have one more conversion I'd like to give you, okay? But if you forget this, it's fine, okay? That's why I'm not going to discuss it lengthily for the conversion part. Grains to grams. What's her conversion for grains to grams? 1 gram is 15 grains. However, if you know this conversions, you don't even have to worry about this conversion factor, okay? Because it will come out the same, okay? It will come out the same. So if you have to convert your grains to milligrams, and you want to use this, your final answer will be in grams, then convert your grams to milligrams. But this is another conversion that's available for you. A gram is 15 grains. It's kind of confusing, that's why I try to stay away from it. This one, I use very often.